Meaning of Flanders and Swann.
Flanders and Swann.
Flanders and Swann.
Flanders and Swann.
Flanders and Swann. Flanders and Swann were a British comedy duo who achieved great success in the 1950s and 60s. Their unique blend of witty wordplay, satire, and musical talent earned them a dedicated following and cemented their place in the annals of British entertainment history. Flanders was the pianist and composer of their musical pieces, while Swann wrote the lyrics and performed as the vocalist. Together, they crafted humorous songs about everything from politics to wildlife, and their legacy continues to be celebrated by fans of classic British comedy to this day.